Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the new method to unfollow everyone on TikTok. Make sure to stick around until the end so you can follow the steps accurately without any mistakes. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and navigate to your profile. You'll see a list of accounts you're currently following. Now, to clear them all out, we'll need TikTok's assistance following along as I demonstrate. First, tap on the 3-bar symbol at the top of your profile. Then, click on Settings. Scroll down until you see Report a Problem and tap on it. Now, under the Account and Profile section, select Editing Profile. Scroll down again and choose Other. Then, finally, click on Need More Help. In the text field provided, politely request TikTok's assistance to unfollow everyone on your account. Click Report to submit your request. Now, all that's left to do is wait for TikTok to process your request and hopefully help you unfollow everyone. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. So, if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, see you in the next video.